Hi everyone, welcome back to Mall 3 Lens. It's 13th of November, perhaps my last day in Bhubaneswar. Tomorrow morning I'm heading towards my mom's place and we are celebrating Diwali over there. I'm excited and I know you are all having that last minute preparation going on. Yes, but I will miss the chaos and the view that this house has provided me. I have been a constant stalker of the sunrise and the sunset over here. I'll show you. Just look at the view. There is this temple over here in this chaos. And you can see the whole Lord city standing from the terrace. Just look at the view. Hi guys, so it's 12 p.m. and I have just reached home and I think most of the basic stuffs, buying stuffs are ready for the decorations. So yes, we'll freshen up and quickly finish our lunch and we will be all set to decor. And yeah, the lights are almost up, but the rangoli and all those stuffs are pending. So yes, I'll show you the light decor.
Sit. I'll sit on top.
So before freshening up, I thought I will keep all the stuffs ready at one place for easy access before decoration. I had asked my brother to pick up some fresh flowers for a mixture of orange, yellow, marigolds and some green leaves garlands. So yes, I am keeping them together in this basket which I had sourced from Bhubaneswar. So as you can see, the puja stuffs as well as the diyas, rangolis and flowers are at one place. This golden multiple tea light holder tray was a last minute pickup from hometown, and this is an artificial marigold garland that I ordered from Amazon before going to Bhubaneswar. I love the quality of this garland and it doesn't seems to be artificial. I think it is worth for rupees 299 and there are 5 number of pieces in this. Last, this one tea lights I also had picked up from home center when I was in Bhubaneswar. Before having lunch, the pre-preparation for the vadis has started and my mom was very skeptical whether the batter will turn very smooth and her vadis will come out good or not. So in today's menu we have fried rice, paneer korma and dahi bangan. I'm glad that Ruhi is enjoying this festive season, and this is the only thing that she is going to treasure it throughout her life, and it's the best thing perhaps to make children aware of the traditions that we follow. So it's 3 p.m. and we have to just finish up with the flower and rangoli decoration. I don't think my Diwali could have been much better than this if I were in Bangalore, because the bonding that we share while decorating and doing the stuffs together is really precious. And this is what I treasure every year when I celebrate Diwali at home. It's been my fourth Diwali since we moved into our own home, but I hardly remember celebrating only one Diwali there. Okay, let me admit, one fine year I will celebrate with a big bash, but till then I will be enjoying it with my family. So this is the place where puja will be organized, and we have made this as the center of decoration, and I'm planning to put Ganesha over here. This is a corner rangoli. We are still on it. Let's see how it will turn out. And here Dad is organizing all the leaves and puja necessary things.
Yes, I like it.
ସେ ଯୋଉ ଗ୍ରୀନ ପତ୍ରଟା ଅଛି ସେଟା ବୁଝିଛୁ ଦେଖେ
So as you can see, most of the decoration stuffs has been finished, and the main ye has been set up, and we have done rangoli with flower, as we are not good in rangoli art. So I have tried to do a little floral art with the frames. This space needs to be cleaned up, and the puja will begin. These are the stuffs ready for puja. We lit about 60 diyas made up of atta, and okay, so the decor has been done, and we were allowed to do whatever we wanted to do on the outside. So yes, that is every father's rule. I think you can guess it, and I think we have done it fruitfully, and the decor looks pretty good to eyes. I will show the look after the sun sets. Now we are about to begin the puja, so I'll go and quickly get dressed. I'm going to wear the sari that I got as a giveaway from the Fab Odisha, and yes, I won it from my Instagram account. So yes, I'm all excited to wear that, and it's a beautiful piece. I'll show you as we go further. Stay tuned. So this is the sari that I received as a gift from giveaway from the Fab Odisha, and it's a pure cotton sari, and I'm loving the color. It's mustard yellow and green. So I'm planning to wear this today, and thank you Fab Odisha. Actually, the puja has started, and this puja holds a very special place in my family. This Shraddh is generally performed by the eldest son of the house, and it is believed that the souls of the forefathers which came to the descendants' place on Mahalaya leave their children's house for the heaven on the day of Diwali. And since my father was the only son, my family has been witnessing this puja every single year.
संगा विश्वदेवा दीपं ओम धूरी संगा विश्वदेवा सदम धूरी संगा विश्वदेवा दीपं
This is the main part of the puja, where fresh and new cotton cloths are dipped in the ghee and tied to the sugarcane sticks and lit with fire and raised, singing the song "O Forefathers, come in darkness and go back in light," after which we seek their blessings. we just finished up with the puja and now we will be burning some crackers. And yes, it was a chaos, and since there was a less time, we had to manage everything. We lit the diya little late, but anyhow, it's 7:10, and so yes, we have time to burn crackers, and then I will move to help my mom in preparing the dinner. Stay tuned for the menu. Hi everyone, wish you all a very happy and prosperous Diwali. I know by the time I upload this video it will be late, but yes, wishing you all a happy and safe Diwali. Of finishing the Diwali vlog 2020, and the end calls for some good food. And as you can see, the food spread for today dinner is upma, sevaya kheer, white peas and aloo curry with vades. I hope you liked this vlog and got to know about the traditions of we Odisha people. And if you did like my vlog, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified with all the new vlogs that I upload. See you soon in my next vlog. Till then, stay safe and bye-bye.